Hello everyone, welcome back. This is the second part of the KRL LRT MRT trip. The first part has been uploaded, so if you haven't watched it, please check it out before you watch this one. This time, I'll be boarding the LRT as well as taking the MRT. I'll be heading to Marta Tiahahu Literasi Park and having a coffee there. I'll also be reviewing the 3 types of trains and how to pay for the train. So stay tuned to get the whole update on the train systems.
The most important thing that you should know about LRT is that it doesn't have any driver, so it's a ghost train.
Selamat datang di LRT Jabodebek Cibubur Line, tujuan akhir Harjamukti. Welcome to LRT Jabodebek Cibubur Line. This train is bound for Harjamukti. Kereta akan tiba di Pancoran. Pintu di sebelah kanan akan terbuka. We are approaching Pancoran. The doors on the right side will open. Pintu akan dibuka. Hati-hati pada celah peron. Doors are opening. Please mind the platform gate.
Told you earlier, now I have arrived at Pancoran Station and I'm going to get out of here and then get in again, and I will go back to Sudirman. According to this, the train to Dukuh Atas is coming in 4 minutes. So yeah, let's catch that train so we will get to Sudirman quickly. Yeah, so I'll see you guys at Sudirman. Right, we're back at Sudirman Station now. Finally, it's pretty fast since the waiting time wasn't that long. Yeah, I got lucky. And now we're going to go to the MRT station. So from that LRT gate, we just need to go straight. Okay, we go straight up until the end of the platform, and you're going to see the MRT sign there. And this is the only way to go to the MRT station from the LRT station. You need to pass the KRL station, and there's no other way. And by passing, it means you need to get inside the platform and get out of the platform, which means you need to pay, of course. But don't worry, you will only pay 1 rupiah. So it's not 100 or 1000, it's 1 rupiah. So it's like the fee for you to pass through the platform of Sudirman Station. So your card will be deducted only 1 rupiah. Okay, so here is the exit gate of the Sudirman Station. So we tap here again and get out of here, and you see that bridge over there and the tunnel. So we're going to pass that tunnel, and then we will arrive at the MRT station. Okay, be careful because there are some people who are going to try to ask you about things around here. I got asked quite often, so usually I try to look busy. I walk fast and I pretend that I'm going to catch my train, even though that's the real thing that I'm going to do. But anyway, I'm making a content right now, so I'm pretty sure that they're not going to approach me. Here we are. And here you can see, oh my god, the sun! Okay, these are the signs. So yeah, this point, this tunnel is pretty much like the meeting point of a lot of different transports in Jakarta. So as you can see, we have the KRL station over here. This is the KRL station, and that is also KRL station, the BNI City. It is actually an airport train station, and it's only for airport train. It used to be only for airport train, but now they use it for KRL as well. So this is basically the KRL line, and yeah, the LRT, it's on the other side of the river, so you need to pass through the KRL station and then cross the river. And then in here is the MRT station, the gate to the MRT station. And also there is a bus stop, I guess. I think there is the bus stop, but I've never taken bus from here because there are also bus stops on the big avenue, the big road over there. Yeah, but basically there's also bus coming here, so it's pretty convenient. It's a really nice area with a lot of green. Oh my god. Finally I got below the shade. So here it is. Okay, so the next step is that we're going to get to the MRT station, and of course we're going down since it's like a metro. So from here, the Dukuh Atas, it's also called Dukuh Atas MRT Station, where the train is going to be underground. But after Senayan, it's going to be above the ground, just like the LRT station. So yeah, it's going up later on at after Senayan station. So let's get to the train station, which is right behind me now. Okay, let's go. Okay, we have Indomaret in here. So in Indonesia, one of the most popular convenience stores is called Indomaret, and you can basically find Indomaret everywhere. Indomaret and also Alfamart. So let's buy some drink first. Okay, done buying drinks. So now let's continue our journey. We're going to the platform and we're going down again. Let's go. Of MRT. Okay, now we just need to wait for the train, and the one that we are going to take is the one going to Lebak Bulus Grad. Wait, do we have the one from the other side? Okay, it's easier from here. Okay, so from to Lebak Bulus Grad, 1426. Now it's 14:17, but maybe you cannot see it clearly. So it's only 9 minutes away, but since my battery is low, my camera battery, I think I'm going to wait here for a while to charge my battery and then continue. Maybe I'm not going to take the 1426, maybe the next one. Okay, I'll see you later.
Blok M MRT. The doors on the left side will open. To all passengers, please check your belongings and step carefully. Thank you.
So my plan was to stop at Blok M. Yeah, so right now we're at Blok M station, and this is our final destination, finally. Yeah, but I'm going to take you to a park near here, and maybe we can grab some coffee there, and then I'm going to sum up our trip today there while drinking some coffee. Okay, we're going to take exit F, and that is the park. Yeah, if you can see the writing there, it's Taman Marta Tiahahu. So Taman in Indonesian, it means park. Yeah, so we're going to that park and enjoy some coffee. So we need to find exit F. Let's get out from the E. Maybe we can find the exit F after we tap. Oh, there it is, exit F. Well, it's basically the same as exit E, so yeah, never mind. Okay, we're here, exit F. Oh, so the park is just next to the exit. Oh, I thought I had to walk, but no. So this is the park. Yay, we made it. Yeah. We're here, and this is the park over here. Okay. And we get in from here. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm glad we don't have to walk a lot to the park. Already some restaurants here. Kitty. Okay, let's get to the center first to be able to look around. I thought it was going to be bigger, but it's rather small though. Now let's move around to see what we have here. So we have bubur ayam Betawi. So bubur is porridge. This is the porridge, and they also serve bakmi ayam. Apparently, bakmi is noodle, as you can see, so chicken noodles. And here is chocolate. Wow, looks nice. It has a nice atmosphere actually. It's just that it's smaller than I thought, so I'm kind of disappointed, but well, it's okay. It's still pretty nice though. Right, and here is soto tangkar. Okay, so a quick guide to Indonesian dish. So in Indonesia, there are a lot of types of soto. So yeah, you cannot translate soto into any language. It's just soto. So soto is basically like oh, here we go. It's the picture. It's a soup dish. Well, kind of like soup with lots of ingredients in it. Well, not ingredients. I mean like toppings, so like meat and stuff. And this one, the soto tangkar, is from Jakarta originally. Yeah, it's of Betawi origin. So Betawi is the original, what do you call that, ethnicity? Yeah, from Jakarta. So this soto tangkar is from Jakarta, and Jakarta also have one more soto dish, which is called soto Betawi. It's a little bit different from soto tangkar, but both of them are from Jakarta, so they both are Betawinis. Okay, we have coffee, journal coffee. It's nice. And you can find journal coffee at malls. The highlight of this park is this library. So if you can see the name here, Taman Literasi. I've told you that Taman means park, and Literasi, yeah, of course it's literacy. Yeah, I think it's English based, I think. Yeah, so Taman Literasi means literacy park. I'm not sure if that makes sense in English, but basically, since it's Taman Literasi, that's why the highlight of this park is this library. Oh, pasta in the park. Basically pasta. And this one, juice bar. And this one is the coffee that I told you about, that I wanted to try. And I told you that journal coffee, where's journal coffee? Yeah, journal coffee over there is rather popular. You can find it at malls, and I've tried it before. But this coffee, Moss Life coffee, I think I have never tried. Yeah, I have never tried it before. So I'm going to try it and enjoy it here while I sum up our trip today. So let's go order the coffee. Okay, so I'm going to sum up our trip today, and before that I'm going to show you what I have ordered. This is the iced coffee with milk and palm sugar, and chocolate muffin, with which I have already bitten. So this coffee, I have already tried it, and it's good. The coffee is pretty strong, so even though this uses palm sugar, which is supposed to be sweet, since the coffee is strong, it balances the sweetness. And this muffin is also not too sweet either, so it's like the dark chocolate type of muffin, which I like because I don't really like sweet things like sweet drinks or sweet food. So yeah, this perfectly suit my taste. Okay, and then about the trip today, yeah, so we have already taken 3 types of train in Jabodetabek, yeah. The first one is KRL, and then LRT and MRT. From these 3 types of train, my most favorite train is the MRT, because I think it's the most comfortable and also fast and reliable. But the only downside is that it only has 1 line. Okay, and then the second type of train that I like is the KRL train. The KRL might be less comfortable in my opinion compared to the MRT, but the best thing about KRL is that it has a lot of lines, since KRL is the like the first train lines, yeah, the train systems in Jakarta and around Jakarta, so it has so many lines now. And so from Jakarta you can take the train to its surrounding cities like like Tangerang, Bogor, Depok, Bekasi, Cikarang. So if you live in that area, you can easily go to Jakarta by train without getting caught in the traffic, in the crazy traffic jam in Jakarta. The only downside about KRL is that it is crazy during the rush hour. Well, it is the rush hour, but in KRL it is somehow so much crazier. And then the third one, my least favorite train, is the LRT. Of course, it's gotta be because of the long waiting time, even though it's pretty comfortable because it's rather new, so it's still clean. Hopefully it will be clean later on. It will still be clean, but yeah, the downside is what makes me like the LRT least. Okay, and now about the payment for the train, yeah, as you can see, while I'm taking the train, that I use this type of card. So this is an electronic money card. Yeah, in Indonesia, most of these types of cards are issued by banks. So as you can see in here, this is the name of the bank, BCA, and the name of the card is the flash card. There are other banks that issued cards like this, so it's not only from BCA, and you can get these cards from the bank, of course, but if it is too inconvenient, you can always get this card at convenience stores like Indomaret or Alfamart. But I think it's not going to be flash card, but it's the e-money card. Yeah, so the name of the card is e-money, issued by Bank Mandiri. When the when the credit when the credit is low, you can also bring this card to the convenience store to top it up. I think it's the most convenient and the easiest way to top off the card, yeah, besides going to the ATM. Yeah, so you can also top this at the ATM. So another type of card that you can use is also an electronic money card, but it's not issued by banks. It is issued by the train and bus company. So if you go to the KRL train station and to the ticket counter, you can buy their electronic money card. If you want to top up the card, you can, since it is issued by the train company, then you have to top it off at the train station. Yeah, I think you cannot top it off at the convenience stores, I think, but maybe I'm wrong, so let me know in the comment if I'm wrong. Yeah, but that's what I know. The flash card, e-money cards, or the train card, you can use all of them to pay for all the public transports in Jakarta, from the KRL, LRT, MRT, Transjakarta bus. Yeah, and then for this card, you can also use it for to buy something at the convenience stores as well, and also to pay for the parking lot, toll road. Yeah, you can use it, but I'm not sure about the train card. My recommendation is to get the e-money card from the convenience stores. I think it's the easiest, and you can use it for a lot of things, and yeah, it's convenient as well. So I recommend this type of card for you. Okay, anyway, that will be the end of our journey today. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and then share this video to everyone you know, and of course don't forget to subscribe as well, so you will not miss any other video that I'm going to post in the future. Thank you for watching my video. I hope wherever you are, you're doing well, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye bye. See ya.